What is up, my loves? Am I hyped for this video today? Yes, I am. We have a problem today. We have too many of my girls walking around looking like they ain't put no effort or anything into their outfits. But today I'm going to be showing you these outfits so you can buy them and not even have to put any effort or thought into the outfit because I already did for you. I'm coming with accessories, shoes, the outfit itself. The only thing that won't be from Shein is the shoes, but I will be trying to coordinate with some colors that I know everybody can wear. But again, we have 5 outfits that I'm going to be showing y'all. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. Proverbs 31:25. So for my first outfit, I have this pink purse to go with this white dress, and I will show you why I have the pink one. With this matches my shirt too. It's because I have these pink dunks, and I wanted to give you guys an outfit that I knew that many girls do have pink colored shoes, and if you don't, you can obviously match this, like with a blue person some blue shoes, black person some black shoes. It doesn't matter. I'm just showing you guys like a nice pink color. I do see these shoes around a lot, so I'm just gonna guess that you guys have it. If you don't, that is perfectly fine. If you have any other color shoes, black, green, orange, purple, whatever, get a purse to go with it and a nice white dress, and we're gonna put this together. Y'all ever watched the movie Baby Boy and it was like, this is an all-purpose dress, this is the all-purpose outfit. You can put this dress on the shoes, you can wear it to school if your school allows, you can wear it to walk downtown, you can probably wear it to the beach, but not too much to get in the sand, probably to walk along the perimeter of the beach. Am I making sense? No, I'm not making sense. You can wear this to a dinner party, you can wear this really anywhere, but we're gonna put it on. We're gonna show you everything. I'm gonna tell you my size. This dress was in a medium, and my shoes are in a 7 in kids, or 6.5 and 7 in men's, or 8.5 in women's, if you wanted to know. Yeah, so here's the outfit here with the dunks on. You can't really see my shoes, so I may start another video to the side of showing what the whole outfit looks like with the shoes on. But dress is super comfy. This purse is from a store in Tampa called DD's. It costs like $20-something. The shoes are from Goats, I believe, and then the socks, you can just find new random white socks. But the base of this outfit obviously wouldn't go together unless I had the white dress on. And you can add on the hat to the outfit, you know. Let's throw some shades on. You can throw some shades on, giving bad. Yeah, I don't know if the shades really match the outfit, to be honest, but you know, you can have the shades on. It's gonna be this plaited flannel top. It's more so cropped, so you gotta be careful where you wear this at. Probably not school, probably not to a classy event because you don't want to be showing too much skin. That's doing too much. Got some ripped jeans, but to go with this, accessories wise, you can get, I chose this black purse. You can do any white or black purse if you want. I really didn't take too much time to pick a purse because, you know, it's so easy for this outfit. And then I got some Converse for it, and then my Converse are actually, bedazzled, so you know, add a little extra pizzazz to it. So I'm gonna try this on for you, and then I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, y'all, so here is the fit we have on this shirt. Sorry, I'm showing a little bit too much stomach. And we got some ripped jeans, this, the ruffled purse, I don't know what you call this, and then my Converse. I'm gonna show you guys actually full body on the other side, but let's get into the deets of the outfit. The shirt, it is showing a little bit of skin, so you can actually play around with this outfit a little bit more. You can wear it to a lot more occasions, to a party maybe, to a gathering, to a dinner, anywhere. I threw on some glasses, yeah, get into it. I threw on some glasses as well, but you don't have to really wear the glasses. I got the purse, and then the ripped jeans are from actually Fashion Nova, but I will put in like a alternative from Shein, since that is what we're shopping from, is Shein. And then my Converse, but obviously the base of the outfit is the black top and the purse, which are both from Shein. The glasses Shein, pants Fashion Nova, shoes is from like Journeys or Converse themselves, period. Okay, so for my next outfit, we have a shirt that is not from Shein, but I will do an alternative to it. I just needed it for this outfit. I have to get an alternative for this outfit. And then I have this white skirt. Obviously you can wear red shoes or gray shoes, but these are the ones that I got. So we're gonna try it on, and I will let you guys know more once it's on. So here is the outfit on. It is the red and gray shirt. The skirt is really kind of big now. I don't know what happened to it. And then I have on the dunks as well. So let's get into the fit itself. The shirt I actually got from an app called who knows, I got from there. I might, if I remember, I'll put it on the screen. And then the skirt, you can get this from anywhere. I don't believe I got it, don't mind the machine tools in the back, but I don't believe I got this skirt from Shein, but you can literally find this skirt from Shein from anywhere. And then the dunks I got from Goat, obviously. I probably would wear this to school, if it went down a little bit further, so I would wear this like out to an occasion, maybe like a party, to chill with my friends. To be honest, like definitely, like I would say, out to hang out with your friends, to a birthday party, any type of that stuff. So for my next outfit, I have a orange purse, and the outfit is these leather or faux leather pants that I got from Shein. Of course, the shirt is from Shein, and it's this kind of like this racer type shirt, and then the actual purse itself is from Shein as well. Literally, this is probably the first and only outfit where everything is literally completely from Shein. But of course, to kind of counteract that, or to replace everything else, I will put alternatives in the description, and I will also show you how everything looks on screen. To go with this, you guessed it, I got some Dunks, and I chose black and white Dunks because I know a lot of people have black and white shoes, if not the black and white Dunks. Literally everybody has them now, or a lot of people have them now, and if you don't have them now, you have black and white shoes to go with the outfit. So the orange is for the shirt, and then obviously the black and white shoes go together, and then you can wear like maybe a orange hat if you want, shades, orange glass frames, anything that you want to style this or dress this up. So, and also an example of what it looks like all together on will be on the screen as well. And then so here's the outfit on. We have the shirt, the purse, the pants, and then obviously the pants may not be everyone's cup of tea, just because faux leather pants are hard to find, especially that fits well. And then we have on the Dunks, but I do enjoy the look of the pants. I think they're super, super cute. You can match these with some shades, some glasses, whatever you want. But yeah, so we're gonna move on to the next outfit now. Okay, so for the fifth and final outfit, sorry this video is coming to an end so soon. We have this black and yellow outfit. Actually, I have this one piece with the, it's like a tank top and shorts type of look, and then a bomber jacket to go with that bomber jacket from Shein, one piece from Shein, and then purse from Shein. It's just this black and yellow purse to go with it. You've seen this purse before in a previous video if you check that out in my back to school haul. So yeah, this purse is still coming in handy to this day, and obviously to go with that, I'm gonna pair it with some black and gray shoes. Obviously these just go the best with my Lightning 4s, because the purse matches it perfectly, and then we got the outfit. So with this outfit, you gotta be careful where you wear it because it is a little short, but with the whole one piece, so I would probably wear it to walk downtown, to chill, to take pictures, just to hang out in general. So okay, so here is the next outfit. We have on the one piece, as you can see, the bomber jacket to go with it, the purse, which is empty right now, and then the shoes. This outfit is literally perfect for a Friday night out at a football game. I literally love that for this vibe, mainly the bomber jacket, the shoes, the purse, everything together just screams football game, downtown trip, maybe to the movies, all of the above. You can go out eating this, anything like that I would choose for this. You probably won't be able to wear this to school just because how short the shorts are, but some of my other outfits you can get away with wearing it at school. But that is my spiel for this outfit. I'm literally in love with it. So I'm literally actually sweating from changing all those clothes and everything, but I hope you enjoyed this video so much. I hope these outfits were useful to you, that you can find a way to style it similar to the way I did. I will have links and everything in the description. I'm not coming to play with y'all. I'm giving my love some good ideas, some outfit ideas that I put together. Maybe we don't dress the same, maybe we do, maybe we don't, but hey, you can still get something meaningful out of this. All the links and everything, again, for the 100th time, will be in the description box with all my sizes. I will try to remember to put my sizes in it, but that's not really helpful because you guys could be different sizes, different heights and everything. So whatever, just use Shein measurement is usually accurate. But that is all I have for this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Remember to stay positive and productive, do these busy, hard, or whatever days. My social medias and everything will be in the description. They're literally all Love Amari. Love my TikTok and my Instagram is Love Amari, love with 3 E's, Amari with 2 I's. I am usually on my Instagram the most, and then TikTok here and there you'll get a video. But that is all I have for this video. I hope you guys have an amazing blessed day, and that is